is Kennedy. I work at JourneyTEAM. I'm a consultant over here. And today I want to go over how to create a Power BI template. Essentially, you're just saving a Power BI report as a template in Power BI, but we'll kind of go over how to do it here. One of the reasons you want to save a Power BI template is because this allows users to create reports with similar layouts. So if you can see on my screen here, we have all these tiles. It's kind of obvious where a user should put a table or a chart or a card over here. Your logo is comprehensive. Everything just looks cohesive and flows well together throughout your organization. This also helps with formatting queries, save Power BI developers from repeating work too. So not just consistency sake, but also time's sake for your employees. So let's hop in to how to do it. So here I have my report that I like. I like it as is, and I want to save it as a template. I'll come up here to File and select Save As. Here I will change it from a PBIX file, which is the Power BI report file, to a PBIT, that is Power BI template file. I'll go ahead and select Save. And then here I would give it a description. We will say, good looking report. And go ahead and select OK. Now that's saved to the file location I decided when I clicked Save As, and I can share this out to other individuals in my organization. Maybe I post it on SharePoint so it's available to everyone in a easy to access place. But yeah, it's pretty much that simple. If you have any questions or need any help, please reach out to JourneyTEAM. We are here to help you.